Okay, just a quick video about indicators or indicator flashing speeds. Now on most bikes, well legally in the UK to pass an MOT, your indicator should be flashing between 60 and 120 flashes per minute, I believe, so that's about once a second. So I stick my hand in because I know you all like that. So it's about between once and twice a second, so I'll just show you. So there we go, that's how your indicators should be flashing. Now you may or may not know this, but if you have an issue in your flasher circuit and the resistance across the circuit to go to flasher relay is not where it should be, then your flashing timings will be out. For example, as you can see, that is way too fast. So now this happened to me yesterday while I was out testing my my new braided hoses. I noticed partway through the ride that my this flashing was too fast, and everybody knows you should be doing your pre-ride checks, which involves making sure your indicators, your lights and your brake lights work, and also your bike is actually mechanically sound. I do check my indicators regularly, so I straight away I saw that there was an issue. So when I came back, I know that my left side indicators are okay because this is flashing at the correct speed, and we can see orange flashing at the front, orange flashing at the back, so we know they're going. But when it comes to the right hand side, flashing way too fast, which indicates to me that there's a problem there. Now when I did my braided hoses, the bike was stripped, so all the fairings were off, and I thought maybe the connector had come loose because there's no flashing at the front down here, but there is at the back, which means that the actual wiring is fine. So that would indicate to me that the bulb has gone in this indicator at the front, which means I got to take it all apart, take all the fairing off, and get that. Oh, can I? Oh no, I might be able to get in there and have a look. Oh, it's come on now. Right, that's interesting because I didn't do that before. Right, so that would seem to be a loose connection. Let's see what we can see. Because another connection goes to here. How curious. No, I'm pulling on the connector. Oh. So, seems I may have an intermittent fault, because they're both working now. And I've got the connector in my hand. It could be that it wasn't actually in place properly, so that's something I'm going to have to keep an eye on. But yeah, so I just thought I'd do a quick video on keep an eye on your indicatings on your dash. So when you do indicate, because not everybody can see their indicators when they're riding, because in the daytime you obviously don't get this big reflection that you can see, and that was, I was in the daylight, I couldn't see which indicator was working, if any, but I could tell by the speed of the flashing that there was a problem there. So I hope that's been informative to at least one person out there, and so that's been it for this video. I now know that I've got an potential intermittent fault. I'll keep an eye on that. So I've been David, you've been awesome, and I'll catch you next time.